a little bit tour of this wagon. This is the door for our wagon. It opens like this, but it closes automatically. You don't need to press. I will not make this English translation. So let's have a walk by platzkart. This is the toilet. This is by toilet, tap water. I guess Russian train construction quite the same. This is trash bin. So platzkart wagon is like 4 beds in one side and 2 beds in that side. So bed sheets are included to the price. When you buy ticket, be careful and try to look everything. For instance, some people also bought ticket, but bed sheet wasn't included to the ticket price. So, and this is the view. And also you can open the window. There is air conditioner is working out. Also you can put your things under your bed. There is already a mess around my bed. So we bought a lot of food because our trip will last almost 2 days from Barnaul to Novosibirsk, from Novosibirsk to Kazan. So 6-hour trip is, I guess, we should use our time, and we decided to edit our YouTube videos. I have edited one video, and for now I decided to take a little rest. Then I will continue doing editing another next video. So the temperature is almost 92 Celsius degree. Black tea with Russian honey from Altai region. So tasty. One bag of black tea for 2 people. guys, this is our last train around Russia, because we are heading right now from Krasnodar city to Vladikavkaz, and I just want to show you this train. Well, to be honest, this train looks a little bit older than previous one, and this kettle is as usual. By the way, it smells not good, because this train is coming from Novorossiysk station. So this is our place for today, this upper seat. So, and as you can see, this is our mattress, pillow, and it's kind of also old. I don't know how we're gonna lie here, because this thing blocks our legs, blocks our feet, and it's very hot here. So let's continue. I guess there is only one toilet, or it might be two, but in this side is only one, but for now I guess it is, oh, it's open. Yeah guys, this is by a toilet with every stuff. Happily this place is clean. Wow. I feel so hot, you know, very wet, because Krasnodar city is located in the southern part of Russia, that's why it's hot here. So after a while we will get our bed sheets and make our bed. This one month I was really happy to be witness with different kind of trains in Russia, but usually all of them, like platzkart version, they look the same, with the kettle and with 4 beds like this from one side, from another side 2 beds like that. That's one. But unfortunately in this wagon we only have 2 sockets for 6 people. I guess it might be very difficult for all of us. And let's see if there are any socket on the upper store. No, unfortunately there is no socket. Only these 2 sockets we have.
Пока отсвечивает, ничего не видно.
Happily we have this kind of air conditioner, but it starts to work when train starts moving. Да, едва.
Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button and drop your comments. And also I have a channel which is called Live Trip, where you can feel the atmosphere and the culture of different countries. So see you guys soon. Take care. Goodbye.